Today is Thursday, and on Thursdays I head to the little thrift store in our town, and I found some great stuff today. Moses loves stuffies. He will take over the living room with stuffies and make all kinds of games. So I couldn't resist this little turtle and this stingray. Moses also got a baseball helmet.
Now I have two baseball helmets.
Oh, you do? I forgot. No idea.
Because I had that one.
This, I think she gave this to me, but he loves little guys to play for his games. And I found these books for Felicity that got good ratings on Amazon. And this one. And this science is called Science Stories by Janice Koch. I don't know if I'm going to use this, but I might try to resell this because it looked like I might get a good price for this. And I found myself this Old Navy dress. I'm going to have to alter it. It's a little not the right size, but super cute. I found this vintage rayon dress. I'm going to try to resell. The print is so pretty. Like really flowy. And this dress, I can't believe I found this. I have looked specifically at this dress on eBay several times and almost bought it. This is by Fry. I got this for 50 cents. It's so cute. And I love this pinky, like brown pink color. But yeah. After the thrift store, I went and visited a dear friend in town, and she sent me home with all these sweet cherries. It was so sweet of her to do that. Moses and I have been reading through the Beatrix Potter stories. This is a book of, I think, the whole collection, and he has a fun time picking them out. As busy as this little guy is, he loves to be read to. After lunch, we visited the pool in town, and I didn't really get any footage there because there were so many other kids, but Felicity was there as well. And then we had a little rest when we got back, and then I got to it in the kitchen. We had a ton of dishes to put away, and I needed to start dinner. For dinner, I was just cooking up some chicken breast on the stove, and it was pretty simple. I put out the sweet cherries and some watermelon that a friend gave us as well, a different friend. Um, the chicken is cooked, and I'm just slicing it up to make it a little bit easier for everybody. I made these English muffins yesterday, and I did not think that they were going to turn out. It's like kind of a hard balance between the dry frying and yeah, I just didn't know if I was going to totally burn these and ruin them, but they turned out and they are so yummy. So tonight I'm going to cut them in half, put some butter on them, heat them up, and they'll go with our dinner. Here is our simple but delicious dinner. Thank you so much for visiting and stopping by. I hope wherever you are and whatever you're doing, you have a peaceful day. Take care.